You can order the Serpentine belt used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Turn your engine off. Set the parking brake. Pull on the hood release handle. Open the hood. For safety reasons, we advise you to disconnect the battery. To do so, we recommend watching the video, How to Replace the Ford F150 Car Battery. Before proceeding with the replacement of the Serpentine belt, we recommend taking a picture or to draw the path of the belt around the different pulleys in order to position it correctly later. Using a breaker bar and a 1/2-inch drive extension socket, loosen the belt by lifting the Serpentine belt tensioner. Meanwhile, remove the Serpentine belt from the alternator pulley. Then, release the Serpentine belt tensioner. Take out the tool. You can now remove the Serpentine belt. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoyed this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work. When changing the Serpentine belt, you also have to replace the tensioner puller and the 2 idler pulleys. Using a ratchet and a 13mm socket, unscrew the holding screw on the idler pulley located above the Serpentine belt tensioner. Finish unscrewing by hand. Take out the first idler pulley. Using a ratchet and a 10mm socket, unscrew the 3 holding screws of the Serpentine belt tensioner. Then, remove the tensioner. If you want to know which tools and parts we use in this video, just check the description and you'll find everything you need. Using a ratchet and a 13mm socket, unscrew the holding screw on the second idler pulley. Finish unscrewing by hand. Then, take out the second idler pulley. You can order the Serpentine belt used in the video on the CarParts.com website through the link in the description. Take the idler pulley and screw it back in with a ratchet until it makes contact. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. Take the Serpentine belt tensioner. You can loosely fit the first screw to facilitate its installation. Screw it in by hand. Do the same with the other 2 screws. Then screw them back in with a ratchet until they make contact. You can purchase the parts we used here by visiting our website at CarParts.com. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. Take the second idler pulley and screw it back in with a ratchet until it makes contact. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. Take the new Serpentine belt. Pay careful attention to which way up you use it. The writing on the belt must turn clockwise. Slide the new Serpentine belt around the different elements respecting the layout from the initial assembly. To finally put it back in place, lift the Serpentine belt tensioner in order to wind the Serpentine belt onto all of the pulleys. Then, release the Serpentine belt tensioner to fully extend the belt. Before starting your car again, check that the belt is properly positioned in all the pulleys. Reconnect the battery. Operation complete.